I was talking to myself. Good morning, everybody. I was like, I like this one. I like this one. I like this one. That's it. Okay, let's shut it down. Yeah. Shuts it down. Shuts it down. Where are my glasses? That's what I was looking for. And then I got distracted. This is all Raven's fault. Uh yeah, I have no clue. No idea. No idea. I do need to find them though. Hmm. Anyways, yeah, no, SOBR looks good. Not really something that we've. Yeah, it does look good. I like what it's doing there. I like what he's doing. I like it. Yeah, I like it. Yeah, it needs to clear $2. That's what it needs to do. Right, so like $1.95, $2 ish. I'm gonna leave it at $1.95 just because, but and then we'll go from there. Look at the top of your head. Nope. 1 second. Let me. 1 second. Yeah, it looks like we just failed at the top there again. Uh, yeah. So both of these names, both kind of struggling with that resistance. One of them will have to break out at the open. Good morning, everybody. Merry Christmas Eve. I feel like ever since I joined the community, I've been so much more pickier with your trades. Yeah, it's not a bad thing, right? So that you don't want to be running from trade to trade to trade. The good thing is like when you gain experience, right? Yeah, right. The more you gain experience, the more you start to look at things and say, hey, like, this trade worked this time because it meant this and this and this. Okay, let me take another trade, right? You take another trade and you're like, okay. The more trades you take, the more data you have to compare, right? Then you're like, okay, right? I keep taking these trades. These ones work out, these ones don't work out. But these ones have this in common and these ones have this in common, right? They're always above the 200 EMA. Interesting. They're always above. Oh, right? Then you start to compound things like that and you become picky, right? Not picky because you want to be picky, picky because now you know what you're looking for, right? The funny part is it doesn't always work, right? It's not funny. But these are rules that you have to set for yourself and that will usually lead you to success, right? Not because it's guaranteed success, just because you know that you're noticing that it's working more often than it isn't. You know? Good morning, Ahmad. Merry Christmas, Angel. Merry Christmas. Raven, yeah. I've done that. That's why I had to check. I have a few pairs. Like I have no, I knew this one was in the kitchen because I saw it there yesterday, but then I have no idea where the other ones are. Exactly, right? Pattern recognition. Exactly. Right? So the more you trade, the more you see things, the more you look for those things, right? KB, Merry Christmas Eve. Hello, hello. Let's go. Happy Christmas, Kumar. Arjun, good morning. Sunny, ho ho ho. Hee ho is gone now. Maybe. Who knows? Anyway, so we open in 4 minutes, guys. In terms of favorite names, my favorite names would be ELOG, right? LOG, ELOG, ELOG, and then SOBR, right? So these two stocks I like the most going into the open, right? There's some other random stocks. I mean, you can't really call them random, right? Names like MWG, these are really good names too, right? Like this one's cooked and cooked and cooked and cooked since last night, right? So this is not a random name. So if I had to pick three stocks, those would be the three stocks for now, right? But then we have other names like INDP and DRMA and some other random names. But now though, these are the ones, right? Question is, what's your favorite stock going into the open? Let me know. What is your favorite stock going into the open? 30%? More than 30% gain? Let's go, KV. Let's go. Let's go. Love it. Let's go. See, virus blessed you with that membership and it's been cooking. Let's see. Yeah, so $2 is really the level I'm looking for SOBR to be closing above. So let's see if it can finally close above. Did I get my Christmas presents wrapped? No. No. I feel like I'm a terrible Christmas shopper. Like I'm terrible at doing that stuff. Um, I'm like, oh, you know, yeah. Are you coughing now too, Raven? Uh-oh. I'm like, oh, you want a Christmas present? Oh, here's an Amazon gift card. You can buy yourself whatever you want. Now go buy your own damn present. Yeah. Go shop for yourself. Speaking of ho ho ho, sunny hee ho with the pop there. That thing was just waiting for us to say something. Yeah. You're finishing shopping? Kevin, you're shopping though. That's all that matters. That's all that matters. So yeah, ELOG and SOBR are both playing with resistance for now. So SOBR is a lot closer to that $2 breakout. I think so, Jaden. I think so. I do understand where like the thought of a gift comes in though. Like it's very thoughtful. It feels very nice, you know. But my emotions have been burned by the stock market. So yeah. So I don't really care for those. I'm kidding. I'm kidding. Um, Yeah, more so like I think when you think about it, it's like okay, it makes a lot more sense to get an Amazon gift card. Then I'm like, okay, throughout the year I could buy whatever I wanted. Yeah. So used to yeah. Yeah, I know. I can never type Apple like Apple. It's like always AAPL. Expel Apple. I'm like AAPL, right? Yeah. Spell Amazon AMZN. uh Yeah, restricted on it's restricted. That's so stupid. Yeah. Again, has it been restricted the whole morning or it just got restricted now, Alec? Because this stock has been really nice, right? Like we had some fun with this one in the morning. This is the one KB made some nice monies on. So again, we like the stock going into the open. We're gonna need some breakouts on this though, right? SOBR is looking very good. Like I said, this one's a lot closer to that resistance and breakout than ELOC, which is a good thing. And yeah, so this is looking very nice, very nice. We're pushing into the supply zone there. I don't really care for the supply zone there. You should care for the supply zone. I'm always looking for how far we can push into that supply zone and how close we can get to 220. Because I just expect 220 to be the like actual level. Right there we go, 220. So again, like I said, there's sometimes when you see a red zone and you're like, okay, I understand the red zone, right? I understand, but we also do technical analysis, right? We know the target is $2.20. So if the candle is installing, we wait for 220, right? And there's your 220. So let's see if it can break above that level, hold above that level, and cook. Like it's been a good few days going into the holidays, right? Monday was good, Tuesday was good, Wednesday this morning is good, right? I like it, I like it. I like it a lot. So again, $2.20 is our resistance. Good morning, Nancy. What's up, Gordon? So again, 220 is our next resistance. Good push on this one though, right? Really good push. Like look at that. Pump, dip, consolidate, curl back above, boom skis. So again, 220 is your resistance. Just be careful. This is not the time to be jumping in at the open at resistance, please. ELOG is failing, right? Failing like a lock. I wonder if we bounce off the VWAP or if we come back to the demand zone. Either way, that's okay, right? The stock still looks okay. Alrighty, it had a really good, really, really good run, really, really good run. So, and then we kind of open right below resistance, so it's always going to be a bit more difficult, right? So we'll see if we can stave up the VWAP or dip to the demand zone. So for now, SOBR is the one that's actually pushing, right? DRMA is also doing okay, just because it's consolidating at the bottom, right? So I mentioned this morning in Discord, whoever was asking, right? So this thing needs to stay above like 240, right? Stay above 240 and then try and curl. MWG, right? So another really good one. You can see that we're basically in the middle though, right? So, anyways, for now, the king is SOBR, pushing for those highs: 225, 227, 228. Type yes in the chat if you're holding SOBR. Type yes in the chat if you're holding SOBR. SOBR the goat. Yes, yes, yeah. Oh, $500. Let's see. There you go, Alec. Yeah. Again, your daily goal is not that, right? So make sure you at least walk away with that daily goal. Alrighty. Alrighty. 228. 224. You sold at 224, Finch. Good job. High five. Congratulations on the gains. Right. So we can keep saying this. We can is it trying to break $2. SIDU. Okay, nice. Yeah. SIDU has been good since yesterday. I think looked like it wanted to go. Nothing happening there. Retesting the bottom of the range. This is why it's annoying when a stock is in the middle. Is you can go both. You can go either way, right? You can go either way. So we're retesting. So watch 50 cents for MWG. The closer we get to 50 cents, let's see if we can consolidate. Do I think it's done? Probably not, right? ELOG is doing the same thing. ELOG is going back down to retest the support. So do I think ELOG is done? No, right? So both of those names are going to be interesting. Alrighty. DRMA though is doing good. I'm sure some of you guys are holding this one just because you like the name that's at the bottom, right? So it's not bad, right? It's gonna be slow though. It's gonna be slow, but not bad at all. Alrighty, and then SOBR is still the one, right? Still the one. SOBR says that's right. That's right. I'm still the one. $2.31. Golden candle. Make sure you are moving those stop losses up at least, right? At least. There goes brand new highs of the day. That thing says that's right. That's right. I'm the one. Again, make sure you're moving those stop losses higher or you're scaling out of your positions. Alrighty. Good job, Chris. I like that. See, I know you like that stuff like that. That's your play. Michael, you sold too early. You made money though. Yeah, that's good. 200 EMAs at 230. Interesting. Okay. See, that's why it's good to look at that stuff. Yeah, because sometimes you can pick out those levels, right? But again, SOBR still the king, guys, right? King SOBR. So looking very, very good. Look at that. $2.40. $2.40. Please make your day, Salam. Yeah, again, just be careful though that like that name is more of a scalp from the bottom, and there are other names that are. And then the closer we get to 250, right? We could always use 250 as 250 is like the next psychological level, isn't it? You know. There we go, 250. There we go. Santa is not gonna be sober for Christmas, guys. Santa is gonna be thrusting. No, I won't. Love it. If you're still holding SOBR, type yes in the chat. If you're still holding King, the goat of stocks this morning, SOBR, type yes in the chat. Neither will I, Behave. Santa is not going to be sober. That was a good breakout, wasn't it? Right? Very, very good breakout. For ELOG, it is getting close, isn't it? Right? So support, what you're looking for is you're looking for consolidation in that curl. Right? Consolidation and the curl. So let it consolidate first. Because if you take that gamble and it keeps dropping like that, you're going to cry about it. Do I think it's done? No. Do I think we're going to curl at some point? Probably. Right? But it needs to prove to you that it's actually trying to curl. Let's go, Daryl. Santa is not going to be sober for Christmas. Pizza, good morning. Good morning. But yeah, this is a good run. Very good run. That's a good way to start the day, right? A lot of you guys are in this too, right? So 250 is your next resistance, guys. Move those stop losses up or think about scaling out. Don't listen to Peter, guys. Peter is as useless as the CEO of Webull. Don't listen to him. MWG is still playing with that 200 EMA, so again, wait for that curl, right? ELOG, this is going to be the true test. The test of testes, right? Can it find a way to consolidate at this retest and then curl? Cool, cool. SOBR still been the one. Yeah. Let's go, Rumteen. Let's go, let's go. SIDU. Now, I know we talked about SIDU yesterday, right? Especially in Discord. Um, yeah, you can see that we're playing with that. You know, this is kind of the same resistance we played with. Yeah. So this morning, um, yeah. So right around like right below 210 resistance. So it looks good though, right? Because this thing was at a dollar 50, $1.60 yesterday. So really, really good run. Really, really good run. So again, we're failing at 250 for now. We know it's resistance. ELOG is fighting for its life, fighting for its life off this double bottom here. So let's see if we can stay above that level already. So again, this level here is gonna be it's gonna be important for the log. There you go. Uh, okay. Drunk Santas. HX is doing okay there, isn't it? Yeah, it's doing okay. Can you take a look? I feel like that's your favorite number now. It's like like your favorite number. Yeah, there we go. Can you take a look at it? Yeah, so you're in at 1450. That's your entry. I say your favorite number because I know that's also like the amount of shares. or the price you'd like to go in with. So again, ELOG, that thing really needs to start consolidating. If not, right, breach. I'll come back to that in a second though. Let me take a look at FJET here. So 1450. This 1 minute time frame isn't gonna work for this, just because it's a stock that's been moving for a few days now, so that doesn't really work. Um, I think you're willing to do this, Thomas. I think you're in a good position. The problem is you're also in a range, right? So this thing needs to stay above $14. If it can, beautiful. If it breaks above 16, you're in for boomskis. Alrighty. So you notice how all of these candles are just going back and forth for now. So that 14 is acting as a nice base. You're green in that position, so you could always make decisions, based on that. But for now, you're green. It's pushing above $15. 15 is not resistance. The resistance is closer. Like the closer we get to that 50 EMA and $16, that's gonna be your resistance range. Alrighty, so it does look good. Right? It does look good. And then here comes ELOC all the way to ELOC says all the way to the bottoms. All the way to the bottoms. So we'll see if that thing can find a base or just die. Right. So that would be your next support ish area there. SOBR is still holding that 9 EMA. So let's see if we stay above. Yeah. Unbelievable. Unbelievable. Yeah, no, SOBR is definitely the good one today. And then ELOG and ELOG and MWG. Yeah, both still playing games here. Yeah, it would be interesting to see if this thing can find a base. Right, so because again, that level just couldn't hold there, so it would be interesting to see if we could find a base down here instead for ELOG. Maybe we should have known that thing says log in it. So nobody wants to be sober for the holidays, so this is the one. So again, still $2.50 for resistance, and we're trying to break above that level. Alrighty. Yeah, let's see. Yeah, so again, 250 resistance, 250, 250, 250. Yeah, I wonder if we're gonna find a base here. I wonder. For the logs. After this game week, no, not happening. And we're gonna need a higher low on this one or something like that. It looks like DRMA came all the way back down again. So yeah, this one wasn't the one, right? Just not the one. And then obviously sober people are taking profits. You can see the T-Rex price action there, anyways, right? Like it gives you a lot of time to potentially take those gains. Ayo, Rob's here,
What's
guys.
up? You hear me?
Yeah, I can hear you.
Nice. I
Yeah.
got the headphones on and wasn't sure. I'm always having
Okay. Okay.
issues with this.
Sounds good. No, I can hear you.
How you feeling?
I'm okay. Just
Yeah.
slowly recovering. Slowly, slowly. How's you ready for the holidays?
Yep. We are just relaxing. Soon we'll be cooking, and usually starts today. We just hang out here and
Okay.
chill and eat and have a good time.
Yeah, that's good. That's a perfect holiday. That is a perfect holiday. Let's see.
Hello, everybody.
Uh,
ELOG.
yeah. Let's see what this one does here. The logs. Do, 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 do. Yeah, it looks like yeah, you're still in a good position here though, Thomas, for FJet. Alrighty, you're still in a good position. So if it can if it can break above $16, you're gonna be happy. So good job on that entry though. You're up a dollar in it. You're up $1. And then for SOBR guys, again, really good stock this morning. Um, yeah, really good stock this morning. Obviously that 250, and then you're kind of retesting the breakout, right? So 220 is always one of those weird spots, but it's kind of retesting it for now. Um, you don't want to just jump into the retest either, though, right? So make sure you wait for it to actually show you signs, because it doesn't
Hello,
look like that.
everyone. Sorry, Blaze. The people
Oh no,
saying something to me, and I don't want them to think I'm ignoring them.
oh no, it's okay, it's okay.
Eh,
That's okay. Just ignore Virus and Peter, especially Peter, especially Pizza. Yeah, no, MWG looks good. MWG looks good. Do, 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 do. Yeah, the only downside is you're approaching that resistance again, right? So pre-market high. Good bounce though. Very, very good bounce. Yeah, so for ELOG, kind of watch this level here. If it breaks below this level, it's done. To
It
throw it
could.
in the garbage.
Yep.
Throw it under the bridge. So again, that level you're looking at is $2 to $1.90, right? So that was your first retest from like the pre-market pop. So this level is gonna be very, very, very important. Alrighty, it's
Morning
below the
Raven.
200 EMA, which isn't a good thing, and we don't like that, right? But at the same time, let's see if they can, last footing. Why is everybody asking for the video? I don't know why. I'm innocent in all of this. You know, I'm completely innocent. I didn't say anything. I didn't do anything.
I thought you guys loved me, man. That's messed up. That's messed up.
You know what's crazy is in this video, this character. I'm not saying who this character is, right? This character has a Santa hat. So how fitting. Do they look the same? Oh my day, Santa. We had Santa all along with the Santa hat.
Blaze, look at my Christmas gift right here.
Oh, let's go. Those are the Meta glasses.
Yep.
Nice. Do they
Hey
work?
Meta, is Blaze a rubbish clown YouTube? uh,
Uh, yeah, no. So SOBR is curling, yeah. So that's good. Yeah, kind of helped though that like you got the yellow golden candle there. What can you do with that, Rob? Can you what can you do?
with the yellow candle, definitely. The yellow candle is always a
No,
sign
no,
of.
no, with the glasses.
Oh, sorry. Oh, just, technical analysis mode. Well, I mean, I think they're good. They're nice. I'm gonna go on Saturday to get my prescriptions to see, but
Okay.
they're good. I like them. I just think that they can be better, and the AI part could be better. Like they got to connect it to more things, right?
Yeah.
Because I had the smart glasses from Amazon, which is nice because you use Alexa on them and you ask it all these questions, turn off lights and do those. So
Yeah.
Meta doesn't do that yet. Like I want her to like give me directions and stuff, but you could look at something and say what building this is, where am I, and it'll tell you.
Oh, that's cool.
So that's cool. I know it'll get better though.
Yeah, hopefully.
They're opening up new things to it.
Yeah. Charlotte, happy
No, no,
birthday.
Kevin.
Happy birthday, Charlotte. Happy birthday.
Happy
Ha-
birthday.
Yeah. Happy best birthday. And Merry Christmas to you as well.
Fifth. Nice.
Yeah. Santa's coming, Charlotte. Santa's coming. Love it. Uh Martin, I don't know. I don't know. Yeah, so again, ELOG is kind of holding that bottom. Um s- the volume is super, super low, right? But it is holding that range. So $2 to $1.90. Let's see if it stays above that level. Yeah. One Christmas present. See, like does Charlotte only Jay? Does Charlotte get only one Christmas present or two? Better be getting two presents, you know. Unbelievable.
My wife's birthday's on the 26th, and she's always like that. She's like, "Don't play games with me." I need it's birthday and Christmas. They're separate.
Oh, yeah. When your birthday is that close, it's always interesting. Very, very interesting. So yeah, SOBR is just kind of ranging for now.
Spies trying to make that. They want to get to that 7,000 in SPX.
Yeah, send it. You
I
too,
don't
the
know if that
26th.
hit 700 though.
Send it. All time highs, please. All time highs, please. Again, ELOG is like well at that level. Anybody taking a gamble on ELOG here? Good spot just needs the volume, right? Where's the volume? Where is the volume? And then SOBR still the one, right? Like it's still doing a good job with the level, so that's good. 201. Okay, yeah, it's not a bad spot, right? Not a bad spot at all. It just doesn't have the volume. So hopefully we're back to 240 here for this one for SOBR. Yes, yes, yes. Yeah. 205 is even, that guy, even at 205 a little bit high, but you're still okay, right? So you're still at break even here and it's still consolidating. So we wanted to hold this level and go back up 206. That thing needs Peter to buy the whole float. That's what it needs. Anyways, moving on. Okay, back to 250 here for this one. If you bought the dipskis for SOBR though, you're very happy. So we basically came back to retest that 220 area, right? We got confirmation from the yellow candle, which is nice. So that was perfect. Right? Perfect, perfect. Yeah. Me, I only have like a few colors. It's just a ugly Christmas sweater. There we go. Mr. Soba, looking good. SOBR, looking very good. Uh, yeah. 255. Okay. You're in at 2 or 3. Okay. Yeah, definitely not a bad spot. You can see that it's trying to hold. I think the downside is, whenever you play with something below the 200 EMA, you have to understand you're taking a risk. That might not work. So then that stop loss just goes tight, right? So not bad, just needs the volume, right? So we need a nice green candle back above the 9, and then the violence can begin. For now, SOBR is retesting a double top. If you're still in SOBR, type yes in the chat. If you're still in SOBR, type yes in the chat. Good job, Kevin. Good job. Give me a high five. Give me a high five. I know you are, you're like, oh, but no. Well done. I like it. Bala, yes. So again, just be mindful that you're now sitting at the double top at 260. Alrighty. 260. Do, 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 do. Good job, Andrew. Well done. 230. Okay. Yeah, you guys are all green on those positions, so that's good. Very, very good. Well, this one's definitely been the play this morning. So, okay, it's always nice when we
That's
have, things running into the holidays, like not just super weak. Allow, good job. I like it. 250 to 253. Okay, now pump it. Now pump it. Are you liking the futures price action this morning, Rob?
Yeah, I mean, it's going up. It's just going up.
It's
After the
going up.
open, it did a nice little dip. Would have been nice to take that long just to see, Because I think they're just gonna keep trying to run it up to 7,000. I think they want to just hit that 7,000 to say that they hit it.
Yeah, I think so too. Here we go, guys. Here we go. ELOG is trying. ELOG is like, please, guys. I know you guys like me at $2. I know. I know. I'm really trying. I'm trying my best. This was like Rob at the casino. He was trying his best at the machine. They was still slapping him. You know.
Terrible.
uh, you know that thing where it lets you buy the mansion. Yeah,
I know below. Yep. I've been busy, just
yeah.
all over the place. Yeah. So while I was over here losing, Peter was over there winning. Like I'm like, what the hell? And Bray's like, look, Rob, look, Rob. And he's like from 100 to like 500, 600, and I'm like to 67 cents.
Yeah, we Peter and I played this parlay in Vegas, and it was like, I don't know, like a 10 team parlay or whatever, right? So however many teams, and like we picked all the teams, right? All the games, we talked about it. We did this and this and this, and the payout was nice. It was very nice, right? We like nine out of the 10 games we won, and there was one team left. One team left. Somebody guess what that team is? Soccer team, by the way. Somebody guess. Anyways, back to sober here, because sober is the stock of the day. What did you expect, Bilal? What I didn't want to say anything, but what did you expect? Yeah. Let's go SOBR. Santa is not gonna be sober for Christmas, guys. Santa is gonna be chocolate wasted. No, it's definitely not Man City. Manchester United. The joke of all clubs. Useless. I know you Manchester United fans, because I see you guys celebrating in Discord. Arsenal, no. Arsenal has been pretty good. They stress you, but they're okay. Manchester United, Tim, useless. It wasn't like it was a tough game. They were playing against a bottom team and still lost. Useless. Yeah, I don't know what we expected from picking Manchester United. Anyways, here we go. Here we go. Santa will not be what? He is gonna be wasted, chocolate wasted. Yeah, ELOG tries, it just doesn't have the volume, does it? Right. Also with SOBR pumping like that, SOBR is this is the one that everybody's looking at for right now. So maybe ELOG can just keep consolidating in that range, right? Just keep consolidating until SOBR is done. Yeah, yeah. That's Arsenal though. They always do that. They will stress the rubbish out of their fans. Still better than Manchester United. At least Manchester United, you go in, you have no hope. I'm kidding, Tim. I'm kidding. I'm kidding. Sorry,
Blaze,
Manchester.
I'm gonna be here, but I gotta do something real quick. But I'm gonna be right here in the thing. Okay. If you want,
Oh,
I'll get off the stage
okay,
and I'll be
sounds
live.
good.
Okay.
Okay, sounds good. Okay, so let's see. It looks like we're struggling a little bit right below $2.80, which is another psychological level for these stocks. Another psychological level for these stocks. Yeah, we'll see. Let's go. There he is. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Josh, Merry Christmas. No, Josh, thank you for everything you do. Right? Thank you. Much love. Merry Christmas Eve to you as well. And let's go. Josh, Merry Christmas to you and Rachel and Sam and the family. Alrighty? And thank you. Thank you, thank you, thank you. Yeah, I like it. Okay, so looks like we're struggling a little bit here. AMCI looks okay. Santa will not be sober for what? For the new year, for Christmas. Santa will not be what? I'll take a look. Burley's, what's your position in AMCI? Let me know. There goes 280, 282, 285, brand new highs. Oof. I like it. MD, good job. They just wanted Bala out of there, you know? They just wanted Bala out of there. Do, 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 do. Okay, there you go. 232, then the stop loss should be at the bottom of the wick, the golden candle 225. 32. So you got in at, so you basically got in at the bottom there. No, no. The stop loss should to go to the bottom of the last low. Watch the last class, Satin. Watch that stop loss class. I find it easy to, but never trust it to come back. I know, I know. That's okay though. As long as you're seeing those and you're making monies though, Bala, that's huge progress, right? Huge, huge, huge. Daryl, as usual. Well then, high five. Amanda, what's your position? What's your question for SIDU? Let me know. Let me know. Let me know. Thank you very much, Josh. Have a blessed holiday as well. Yeah, let's go. Let's go. Let's go. I know. I subconsciously ignored that Josh message, you know? He's saying nice things. Yes. Here we go. Come on. Give us more boom skis. AMCI is halted down. So, can I take a look at it? Yeah. Again, when you have a question, guys, help me. Help me. Help me, please. Help me. Right? So, the amount of times I could have just, looked at a random stock, right? Can you look at this? Right? What do you think of this? Can you take a look at this? Right? Like, they're just random tickers, right? So, if you have a question, actually be specific with the question and I'll take a look. Please. Yeah. Focus. Exactly. Can you take a look at AMC and tell me I can tell you without looking, Raven. Yeah. AMC is like Weibo. They only go one direction. I'm kidding. I'm kidding. I only said that because Virus's comment was right underneath yours. They're both going to a trillion, but like, yeah. Ah, I need help with Bilal. Long term, you don't need Jesus. That's what you need. That is what you need. Okay, no. So again, ELOG bounced a little bit, but being below that 200 EMA, right, and SOBR looking this hot, most people are focused on this one, right? So this one's been the gem of gems. Righty, you lost 80% on AMC. Yeah, most people lost monies on AMC. Where's Rob? Uh, Good job. I like that. I like it. Let's go, man. Look at that, right? Look at that. If you like, if your wife, you don't go tell your wife. Yeah. We yeah, virus. Yeah. Is Beyond Meat going to $2 at least? Still in at 432, 436. Um,
Congratulations, you played yourself.
sorry, that came on by mistake. But what you know, um, I don't know. I've lost control of my stream stuff. You know. Sorry. Let me take a look. Let me take a look at Beyond Meat. Um, sorry. See, you're in at $4 and wow. Um,
Jaden has $1 bill, 1 quarter, and 2 pennies. How much money does he have? Jaden broke.
sorry. I don't know why this is all happening. You know, I don't know. I don't know why this is happening. Yeah. Um. So, anyways, let me actually answer the question because I don't know. There's glitches all over the place. Um. You're in at $4 and 36 cents without a stop loss, and it's at 98 cents right now. Shish. Um. At this point, there's nothing you can do, right? Like there's literally nothing you can do, other than just pray. You might as well start buying the product. Like every time you go to superstore, you're like, oh, I need oranges, I need fruits, I need tomatoes. Nope, you better go buy Beyond Meat instead, because they're gonna need all your other money to make it look like they're, yeah. Come on, Pyro, you're not helping. Unbelievable. No, Jacob, again, this is why it's important though to put stop losses, right? This is why we keep screaming every day, right? Please use a stop loss. Please use a stop loss, right? You cannot buy something at $4 and it's at $1 and you're still in there, right? It shouldn't be happening, right? So, but now, again, at this point, you either have to look at the amount you have in there and put a stop loss, or just hope that it goes back up, right? When you're down over 50% like that, the question shouldn't be asked to anybody else. This was never a fundamental play. This was a pump and dump, right? This was more of a hype play that we played with. It wasn't an investment, so that's really difficult, right? So yeah, you're just gonna have to, you know what I mean? Yeah, just gonna have to do a little bit of a prayer there, Yeah, or maybe Rob can take you to the casino. If
I'm
Rob
ready.
takes you to the casino.
Unreal.
Maybe you and Rob can go to the casino. Um,
What happened? Who are you talking about?
no, some Jacob bought Beyond Meat at $4. It's at 98 cents now.
Uh,
So yeah, no, SIDU does look really good.
exactly, Raven. 6-7.
Uh, and my on Friday, Tim, you're still gonna lose. Yeah, no, SIDU. Your next resistance is 220. Looks good though. Alrighty, so that looks good.
Wow, this thing just keeps
Yeah,
popping.
so again, your next resistance up there though. Alrighty. Yeah, Jacob, thank you for being a good sport though. Difficult position to be in. You just have to learn from it, honestly, right? I honestly, there's nothing anybody can say in the chat to help you with Beyond Meat, right? Like there's nothing once you start going like minus 50%, minus 60, minus 80%, right? There's nothing we can do to help you. right? When you're at that 10-20%, 10%, especially below less than 10%, we're like, okay, this is the next level. Let's do this and this and this, right? Once you start letting it go to 50, there's nothing we could do. Now you're in the territory where you invest something and you start doing research. When you buy a stock and it crashes and you're like, oh, oh, oh. I'm an investor now.
That's a
Hey,
good one,
honey.
yeah.
Let's do research,
That's messed
honey.
up, Blaze. That's true though. Is that you became a long-term investor.
Yep. They're like, hey, do you like Beyond Meat? Too bad. We love it.
I mean, honestly, Jacob, the problem is that you have to like understand that when you get in these stocks, what type of stock you're getting into. These are speculative plays. You're gonna get in, you're gonna get out. If it
Yeah.
doesn't work, you get out. The thing is that we don't like to lose. We don't like that feeling of losing, right? So by not liking that feeling of cutting it with a loss, you end up holding on and taking a bigger loss.
Yeah.
I always tell people in my one-on-ones, lose under your terms. Don't lose under the terms that it's forcing you to get. Lose under your terms.
Oh, there we go. You're turning on the gifts but after that answer. And I was a CEO, and then you were a CEO, and invested in the edible from 10 to 80 cents. At that point, you might as well show up to the door and say, hey, I'm the newest employee. I work here
Have you
now.
seen the Blaze? Have you seen the movie? The movie, I forgot the name of the movie, but it's with Jim Carrey, and then he's working for this company, right? And
Yeah.
then they tell him, like, they tell him the company's going down the drain. All there's bad news. It's like going down. So they says, hey, they want to put him on like on a Bloomberg or a CNBC to talk
Yeah.
about the company, what's happening. So they
Yeah.
tell him, hey, we're gonna give you this position. You're gonna, and he's like, oh my god, like I'm gonna be, I'm the CEO. Like they gave him this big position, and then he starts talking about the company, but then in the background, there's a camera saying how all the like officers are leaving the company and all that, and the stock is just tanking, and he's talking, So they gave it to him. It was like that. He's like the CEO, but then the stock is tanking, and it went from like highs to like cents. It was so funny.
Craziness. I need to watch some of those stock market movies this holiday. The holidays.
I never got to finish Billions, man.
Yeah, billions. Yeah, I think there's how many seasons now? Three or
I
four.
don't know. I don't know. I didn't.
Yeah.
It's like it's
Yeah,
so good
billions.
though.
Yeah. La, la, la. Waiting for good news to hopefully. Yeah. Don Fortune, welcome to the community. I don't know which membership you sign up for. Somebody help me out. My YouTube isn't working. So
It
somebody.
says a YouTube member. That's it. It doesn't say anything else.
Yeah, no, but that's us though. They can see it on stream. They can see it like on YouTube's. Yeah. Thank you, Virus. Thank you. Don, welcome to the community. I'm gonna send you an invite link.
Legends. Oh.
Yeah. Yeah, they can see it. I can usually see it when the YouTube site is working, but it's not working. So then just the
YouTube
stream
is pissing me off.
site. Let's go. Yeah, Don, welcome to the community. This is your invite at the bottom. So click that invite and follow the steps in the getting started. Alrighty. Welcome, welcome. Welcome. House of Guinness, was it good? Raven, it was
What is
good.
that?
House of Guinness. You have no idea.
House of Kings.
No idea. You need to let's see. Uh So again, we're going back to the highs of the day here for this one. SOBR. SOBR. Highs of $2.87.
That movie was so funny though. Netflix about Guinness in the 1800s.
Um, mm, okay, let's see. Oh, $5. Okay, there you go, Nightmare. Good job. Yeah, here we go. OT? Oh no. You did? Oh yeah. No. Yeah.
We're in the other side of the room.
Yeah. Rob's in his office. I'm in my office. Yeah. So again, double top on this one for now for SOBR and then fail. So it's gonna need to break above like 290. Yeah, exactly, Tim.
There you go. My stop loss saves me here. You see that? Beautiful.
Good jobs. I need to turn on my stream mode on.
We're about to hit 690 almost, plays on SPY.
Craziness. Craziness. I like it though. SPY. The volume is still super weak though, isn't it?
Yeah,
Holiday volume.
it's just a low volume pump.
Yeah. Yup.
I
17%
don't like
for
it.
the year. One of these years is gonna be rubbish, Rob. We've had like a 20, like 20%, 20%, 17%, like back to back to back to back.
Yeah. It's too much. I don't know, man. We'll see.
AI thrustings. Stop at 72. Look at that. Like, so to some people, like Bilal, like that's like, oh my goodness, why would you do that? Right? But that feels amazing, doesn't it? Right? So again, you could have sold that position at the double top, right? That's fine. And you would have been in a better position, right? So you could have sold the position at a double top, but that's completely okay. Like, because if you don't set that stop loss there, your other option is to go below the last low, right? Which would have been okay too, but then you're risking a bit of money. So yeah, now it needs to break above.
A Guardian, no, I don't. I don't have any contracts on or anything. I mean, I had a feeling it was going to pump today, but I didn't want to get in anything and then be stressed out today or anything. I just wanted to relax, so I'm good.
Yeah.
I traded last night gold was it? I traded last night gold, and I got a nice drop, and I left it like that. I said, okay, there goes my
Your
win for
money's
the day.
yeah. Gold is surprisingly chaotic.
Gold is on a tear, bro, and silver too.
Chaotic.
Give
So
me some.
another break of like the highs for SOBR guys, 295, and then back down. So clearly this level is a bit of a problem. Hey guys, if silver is at highs, why are miners red? What do you mean, like silver miners? That's a question for where's Pyro? Pyro, do you have a good answer to this? Yeah, maybe there's something in there. I have no idea. You would think that they should correlate and translate, right? So they should. Yeah, it's like a futures contract below. Yeah, which one are you looking at, Jeff? I'll take a look, maybe. Which are you looking at? $420, Guardian. Let's go. Kind of wishing you helped them. No, don't do that, right? So yeah, do you make $420 a day at work? That's the question, right? Because you could have held that, and then next thing you're crying today. So don't do that. So spy is really so well we I mean we were less than 70 less than 70 cents away from all-time highs. 70 cents from all-time highs. Crazy, right? Yeah. You happy with it? Good. Better be. Good jobs. The only stock that's really behaved properly today is SOBR, guys. And right away at the open we knew this. Right away at the open we knew this was the one. Right? As much as we played with ELOG was more of a okay, can we, this thing looked way too good in pre-market to just die, right? But I guess if it's not performing, people go to where like the money's at, right? I think we just get reminded every day. Retail is retail for a reason. We go to where the vibes are at, you know. So yeah, we go to where the party's at, right? And of all the names we were looking at this morning, guys, right? Of all the names we were looking at this morning, the only name that broke out this morning above resistance, the only name that broke above left-hand side resistance was SOBR, right? You guys see why we pay so much attention to stocks breaking out at the open, right? So sometimes when you're like, oh, but like I have 5 different stocks, right? How do I know which one to pick, right? How do I do that at the open, right? Well, you're not gonna have that answer. So if you're looking for that answer, you're not gonna have that answer, right? Your answer is gonna be based on performance. Like what actually happened? Oh, okay. Of all the names we're looking at, only one is breaking out. Oh, okay. Maybe that's the one, right? So, again, it's just pattern recognition, right? So, where's the money gonna go to at the open? To where the vibes are at.
That's right, Guardian. It's about. I mean, I think we can hit 7,000. I think that's what they're trying to get at. They're trying to take it to 7.
Yeah. SPY 7,000.
I mean, it might be they got a way to go. It might be tough, but they could probably do it next week, maybe.
Yeah.
I don't think it'll be today.
Balak, yeah, good job. Thomas, yes. Till 5 p.m. Eastern. The market closes at 1 p.m. today, by the way. 1 p.m. Eastern closed. And then markets close tomorrow. So nobody better show up tomorrow and say, what's squeezing? What's squeezing? We're gonna say AMC is squeezing. Yeah. Okay. Can we get some more boomskis, or SOBR is gonna be the only stock today, guys? Probably. Don't forget to smash a like, guys, if you haven't already, please. Less than less than 100 of you have smashed like. Less than 100. So take a second if you haven't already. Maybe for the last time this year. I don't know if we're gonna stream. I don't know if we're gonna stream on Friday. Probably, maybe, depending on the volume in pre-market, right? Like, so once we get past Christmas, people are traveling between like the new Christmas and the New Year, family time and blah blah blah. So sometimes it tends to be like nice in pre-market, right? Because people want to play in pre-market early and then spend time with family. So it tends to be a little bit slow. So if it's slow, we're just gonna hang out in Discord. Like, there's no point, to sit on stream for 3 hours while the market goes sideways. Last time, no virus. You know what I mean? Wait. What if it's slow? So we'll see what Friday looks like.
Look at the case, Blaze. How nice.
Oh, that's the key. Oh, that is nice.
It
It says
charges in the case.
really.
It says
Oh
Ray-Ban.
wow.
Yeah, the case charges it.
Oh wow. That's cool.
Yeah.
Huh, interesting. Cool. Yeah, that's very cool. How do you feel about having that technology on your face though? I mean, not that it really makes a difference, because we have technology, all over the place. How do you feel
It's
about
not
that?
seeing my face though.
No, no, no. I mean,
It's
like,
not
yeah,
seeing. You mean like
no, no,
the
yeah, like the connectivity, and I mean, it's the same as headphones, though.
yeah, they're the same as headphones.
Yeah.
So my brain is getting fried. It's getting fried no matter what. I'm like, after 45 years old, it's like whatever, dude. Um,
Ah,
my brother's always like, oh, that FaceTime, they're scanning your face. I'm like, what the hell? Like, whatever. What? I mean, what's gonna happen?
yeah, exactly. Your face is already all over the
Whatever they
place.
know about, they know about me already. So
Yeah. He uses them for taking off and landing his plane. How? Interesting.
who? They-
Yep. Die, no die, live, no live. All the same. Yep. Yes, yes. Okay, we need another higher low in SOBR here, and another breakout. Another breakout. Yeah. Who's Day? Who's Day, virus? Day as in Rob's wife?
what?
Rob's wife is like, oh, what are you looking at? Oh, uh-huh. You're looking at the building, huh? Yeah, I can tell you're looking at the building.
What?
Is that what you were doing in Vegas? Looking at the building. Yeah. That building doesn't seem to be in the same place. The building is moving and you're tracking it, huh? Good job. Ah, Rob's gonna get beat up. Ah, anyways. Ah, unbelievable. Yeah, no, looks like we're trying to get a bit of a higher low. The volume is just a bit slower now. AMCI is pushing back up there, guys. Let me pull up AMCI. SIDU looks really good. Again, it's just super slow, but it looks really good though. SIDU, and then AMCI pop again. So you can kind of see the levels, right? Like we have these lines in there already, just because we played with this already. But uh, here we go. Yeah, 12 times. Interesting. Spy's going back for that high again.
Yeah.
When's power hour? Power hour is in however long. At 10 p.m. An hour and 40 minutes is an hour and 30 minutes.
At 12, right? Eastern.
Yeah. Yeah, looks like yeah, that double top was a bit of a no-go level there for this one. EMCI is cooking there though, guys. So if you're holding this one, congrats. Thomas, are you holding this one? I feel like this is one of your names.
Dan, morning. How you feeling?
Let's go.
I bought a slushy machine, Blake.
You bought a slushy machine?
Yeah.
Why?
Let's see how it goes. I knew you were gonna say that.
Why? Why?
To make slushies?
Like, what type of slushies?
I want to make Red Bull slushies and coffee and cold coffee. Like frappes, like a frappuccino type of thing.
Why
Yep,
would you do that?
that one below, like a Slurpee. Yeah. Does Blaze know what a Slurpee is?
Yeah, they sell them like at 7-Eleven. I used to go
Oh,
there all
okay,
the
okay.
time.
Very
Yeah,
good.
with the boys. After soccer, we would always go get a slushy.
Really? That doesn't
Yeah.
sound too. You said first it sounded good. First you said with the boys, then you said with the boys to go get slushies.
Yeah, no, like yeah,
Hold
we
on.
would like yeah. It goes at $10 for AMC. Yeah, that's a good run. Wife left my to go see her family. Oh my goodness, Dan. Wow. Unbelievable. uh Unbelievable. Well, tell her when she comes back, she owes you a nice breakfast. She gets to make you breakfast for a week, because you're sick. Wonderful Christmas. Let's go. I like that, Donovan. Well done. Well done. Good. I like it. Double the daily goal on Christmas Eve. No, Josh, Rob got a slushy machine. Yeah. They left you too, Raven? We're gonna have a party. Raven, me, and Dan, The sick party. Yeah. The sick party. Why are you gay? No, like we would go, you know, um we used to play soccer a lot, right? So um like whether it's just training, right? You'd be playing soccer for like 4 hours, 3 hours, 2 hours minimum, right? And then it would be hot, right? Like it gets extremely cold, but it also gets extremely hot sometimes. So then we're like, okay, well, I mean, we need something to cool down.
I love slushies, dude. Honestly.
Yeah.
The thing is that I don't like, I'm not drinking anything like with sugar, you know. And then it says you need sugar to make the slushy. So you need to buy something that has like so I don't know how that's going to work out, but we'll see.
Yeah.
It says that the sugar makes it like it freeze better or something.
Oh, okay.
So I can't be putting sugar in my drinks. Like, what the hell? So I got to figure it out. I should
Yeah,
have thought about it before. I didn't know that.
yeah, you're
Well,
gonna
I
have
think
to
they
just
like syrups. Like, there's I got to find those. Yeah, exactly. I have those. Try bubbly. I do too. Josh, I have Josh. What's up, bro? I didn't see that. I have the soda stream. I have it actually here in my office. I put a soda stream here in my office, and I just drink like So I make my own bubbly.
yeah, no, AMCI definitely cooked after that breakout. I think the scary thing is like it halted up and then halted down and then recovered, right? So, but again, the breakout was good though. You can see these lines all over the place. It's because we played with it the other day, right? And yeah, that's a really good run from $6 to almost $11 there. Really good run.
Yeah, that people use it for to make all those mixed drinks and stuff, and you could put like I saw people putting like the cokes, like the a 2 liter bottle of Coke, and then they make like I might get the cherry Coke, the diet cherry Coke, and a Coke Zero, and make a slushy out of that. Oh, actually, that I just remember. Hold on, my wife is in the supermarket. I'm gonna get that. My bad, dude.
uh, Rob's gonna get beat up one of these days. His wife is gonna beat him up. You know. uh, Unbelievable. Rob says I'm on a diet, and then he's like, I'm getting a slushy machine. And now look at him on the phone. He's telling his wife nice things, nice things, so his wife can buy him things. That's not a voicemail for one thing. That's a voicemail for a million things. He's like, hey, honey, I love you so much, right? Remember that one time we went on vacation and I paid for it? And then I made sure that, it was nice. There was music. Yeah. Can you get me all these snacks? Unbelievable. Unbelievable. I hope his wife beats him. Rubbish.
I
Tell him
heard every single thing he said.
that. Oh, sorry,
I
sorry,
told her, "Get
sorry.
me soda, woman. Get me soda, woman." And she
No.
was like, "Yes, yes, yes, sir. Yes, daddy." Then I
No,
woke up from my dream.
we saw your face. Rob was saying nice things to his wife. He's like, I love you so
Get me soda,
much.
woman.
Virus? Yes. Now we just need to find Rob's wife's number.
Please, yeah, yeah.
And then
Like,
send
send
her
them a clip, a clip.
yep. Send her a stick for Christmas. Unbelievable.
No one's buying that, Rob. No one's buying that, Rob.
Okay, let's see. Yeah, looks like that 1050 is a really solid level of resistance there. Dawn, are you connected in Discord? Good to go? Yeah. You better hope the phone disconnected. Uh-huh.
Exactly, Dan. Exactly, Dad. Is your wife Puerto Rican or Hispanic? How do you know that? That sounds something like. But you're exactly right.
Thomas? No, only AMC. That's why I thought you were in this one, Thomas. That's why, That's why it cooked.
Oh, okay, okay.
Cooked. SOBR came all the way back down again. Obviously. I hope like the volume just doesn't die as the day goes on, but it might be like that, or just rotates.
Yeah.
SIDU still looks fine. Go ahead, Rob.
No, go ahead. Finish.
No, no, no. SIDU still looks fine, but it's just lacking the volume. So if you're still in this one, you need that break above 220.
And put a tight stop, please, because if it drops, it's gonna drop. So because it's in a supply zone and it's trying. So
Yeah.
if you get stopped out, you get stopped out in profit, and you're good. That it would be funny. It would be funny that imagine like what happened to Macron. Remember what happened to Macron in the plane? Did you see that video?
The plane
That
now.
he's in the plane and his wife is like going to the back and then he's going she shoves his face and all you see is her hand on his face like that and he's like and then he looks and he goes like that to the cameras. I'm like, oh my god. You see that? Is it Macron? Yeah, Macron.
No, I haven't seen
That's funny as heck.
it. Breaking news.
Breaking news.
Missing. Well, the 9 EMA and the why do you keep calling it the chrono? Is that because you want to? Maybe that's because you want to. The chrono line. Maybe it's because my accent is too strong. The village never leaves sometimes, but
Colonel.
yeah. Apply if the stock is currently in a downward. Does it need to break out at the? Yes, you want it to not be in a downtrend, right? Sometimes you can, but you want it to not be in a downtrend. the times where like you can have all the right things, like it's like, hey, there's a kernel cross, there's this, there's that, but just the fact that it's below like it's trending down, now you're still fighting a battle to win,
Or
so
you're under those major EMAs like a
yeah,
200, or a VWAP.
exactly. So you're just fighting an uphill battle at that point. Like it should work, but it doesn't always work, right?
I think so, Jeff. Honestly, I think so.
Yeah. Why CBD is crawling back up? Maybe that's because Trump is gonna do something again. ELOG is trying to come back a little bit, trying to. Anybody else's wife leave them for the holidays?
What?
Everybody's wife is leaving them. Dan's wife said, no, "Not dealing with this rubbish. Too much coughing in this house. You're on your own." Ah, Josh, you're gonna get beat up. You're next.
Dang, he's next. You're
You're next. Ah, yeah, you're next. Don't worry. The only reason Raven doesn't get beat up is because Raven cooks all the food. See, that's not true, but Raven cooks good food, and and
Rachel's watching in the other room.
yeah,
Rachel's watching in your room, and Josh is gonna come on and say, "I'm busted. I've been busted, Holmes." Remember that one?
yeah, uh, yeah, cooked. Tara says mine wouldn't leave. uh, more than the holidays. Yeah, she's shopping. Okay. Yep, unsupervised. Yep. She knows better. Cooked or baked? Oh, there goes SIDU, guys. Look at that. It's trying to push through that 220. So it does look good. It's just super slow and it doesn't have the volume to break and have follow through. Yeah. Yes, yes. Totally fine with my own beer. Yeah. Your own peeps? Beer. Merry Christmas, MT. Merry Christmas. Jeff says, looking at INDP, how does a stock with 900,000 shares get traded 23 million times? So like the volume, right? Like like someone buys, someone sells, that will always flip back and forth, right? So
Plus,
yeah, go ahead.
no, I was gonna say, plus these hedge funds sometimes trade these things with what do you call those high frequency traders.
Yeah,
So it's literally a computer buying and selling, buying and selling, buying and selling, buying and selling, in like in
yeah,
210, 211, 212, selling at 212, back at 209, now buying again. So it's like high frequency probably trading.
yeah, exactly. Next year, minimum. Be ready. Be ready. Yeah, sounds good. I've been waiting. I've been waiting. Let's go, Josh. Do it. Do it.
Yeah.
Do it.
Why not, Josh? Yeah, that would be nice. I think somebody just said that they
Thanks. Maybe Spy one's at all-time high today. Spy one's at 690 today,
mm-hmm.
and then 7,000 next week. Why not? Why not?
Yeah, I think next week I think we'll get 690 today and then $7 next week.
Send it. Do, 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 do. Let's go. Let's go. Let's do it. Josh says Santa before Santa. Christmas Eve Santa. Let's go, Josh. Christmas Eve Santa Claus is coming to town.
Sheesh, Josh. Okay.
Hi ho, hi ho. It's up. Let's go. Yeah. So Josh wants to give away some memberships and give away some algos. And my computer's about to die.
Why? Isn't that a new computer?
No, because I didn't plug it in. Yeah. Anyways,
So I'm gonna mention that I'm working on the algo update for the first one for the year, and I'm working on the making the supply and demand zones. It's gonna be reading volume. So now, depending on how big the volume was in the demand zone or the supply, it'll get darker and lighter. So now you see dark and lighter demand zones, but it's just because they're overlapping each other sometimes in the same place.
Yep.
But if you see the new one, you're gonna have like a really dark zone, so it's gonna be much more obvious, right? If you're looking at a bigger time frame, 15, 30 minute, and you see a nice dark green and then other lighter greens, then you know that that's a very nice area of liquidity, right? Where there was more. So I'm gonna work on that. I mean, it's already done. I'm just testing it now and doing some other changes.
Mhm.
So it's coming for the new year.
Okay.
I want to have that for the new year.
I like it. I like it. Josh, any way you want to do the giveaways?
Exactly. I was gonna say the same.
Yeah. Or you want to do it how we've always done it? What do you give us some cool ideas, Some yeah, some Christmas. Yeah. AMC is still looking really good, guys.
You're welcome, guys.
So 1050 is still the resistance on this though. So it's gonna need to break. Yeah, okay, sounds good.
Works for members and membership from the promotion.
Sounds good. Okay, so we'll run a members only giveaway for the algo, and then we'll run a general thing for.
But I mean, the algo should be for people that don't have it, right? Because then they have it already, and it's. I'm thinking, I don't know how that.
Yeah. Sync, Rob. And then I'll open up the giveaway bot. Yeah, so 1050 needs to be broken here. SOBR came all the way back down. So yeah, still below the kernel and still dipping. So this one was fun. Once you hit that double top though, and you started to break below and create lower highs, yeah, people start getting rid of it, So not as fun. Not as fun.
Okay.
Sounds good.
Ouch.
Yeah, we can put some we can put like members on wheels that don't have the algo, especially. Like we could do we're gonna do the members giveaway on the with the hashtags, and then if you are a member and you don't have the algo, then we'll do the wheel. We'll put you on the wheel. Put you on the wheelie. Let's go. Okay, let me open up the bot. Let's go. This this continue giveaway. Next. Okay. And the giveaway is live, guys. So the hashtag for the giveaway It's hashtag Santa Josh. Ready? Hashtag Santa Josh. Let's go. Let's go. Ayo, courageous. Ayo, ayo. Then yeah, Spy is going for that level. Robert says, I made a big mistake today. Bought 1,000 shares of and set a stop loss, but only typed in 100 for the stop loss.
Oh, Jesus. Not
No,
to self double check. Yeah, yeah.
yeah.
I
It's
mean,
a,
thanks for sharing because that does happen. People do that. Yeah, it's happened.
Oi,
Definitely happens. Yeah.
yeah. Where did you put the stop loss at, Robert? Like, so you're still in that position now, or you got rid of it? Yeah, that's annoying, isn't it?
The good news and bad news. The good news is your name is Robert. The bad news is you did that. That sucks.
uh, yeah.
Wait. Um. Hold on a minute.
There we go. Hashtag Santa Josh. Yeah, and then we'll run the giveaway. Yeah. Alrighty. Let me put some names on the wheel while we're doing that too. So this is for the algo. Alrighty. If you are a member and you don't have the algo, let us know in the chat so we can add your name on the wheel. Alrighty. Let's go. Josh says, yeah. Me. Okay. Vena, that's interesting. Why don't you have the algo? Yeah, absolutely. I think you should give it a shot. Greg, you're too busy enjoying the sun in Florida. That's what you're doing. Too busy outside enjoying. Bad? Okay. Let's see. So bad doesn't. We'll come back to this list once we're done scamming. Alrighty. Courageous. If I spell your name wrong, don't worry. Don't worry. Don't worry. Don't worry. Don't worry. Stocks. I was busy spamming. Spamming his wife again. Unbelievable.
Who, me?
Yeah.
I'm actually talking to
See? I told you. You don't have the algo, Burleys? Okay, I'll add you to the list. Add you to the list. Yep. Daryl? Yeah. You should. You Cheddar? Okay, let's add Cheddar to the list as well. Add Cheddar to the list. Nightmare? Okay. Add Nightmare to the list. Uh yes. Gup? Yeah, we'll add you to the list. Yes, these are Discord. These messages are coming from Discord. Squid? Okay, let's add Squid to the list. Squid. Let's see. Yep. Uh, and actually, yeah, we need to add Dawn because Dawn is a brand new member. Linda. Okay, let's add Linda to the list, and then Dawn as well. Dawn just became a member today. Yeah, yes, please. Dawn, make sure you follow the steps in the Getting Started channel already. But I only see, yeah, you need to follow the steps in there. There's a video in there that does the Getting Started video. Yeah.
Hello, ¿cómo está mañana?
Okay, let's see. Españols. Yeah. No, again, there goes AMCI. So brand new highs there. Yeah. Okay. Uh okay. Well, the bot will be done in a second, and then we'll pick a winner. Yeah. So don't watch that video later. It's gonna walk you through. Yeah. I don't add Pyro to the list. Add Pyro to the list. I think we yeah, Rob's best behavior. Yeah, his wife is back. They're gonna, you know, beat him up now. Notice how Rob's very quiet now, no sass, no jokes. He's gonna get yeah. Uh okay, let's do that. To the wheel as a repeat. Oh yeah, Kevin's a member. Just because his name isn't green in the thing. If you do, okay, sounds good, Pyro. If you do, I'll take it off. Yeah, I think I'm missing a few more names. George. Again, make sure you guys don't have the algo, right? Lori, I'll add Lori to the list as well. These are Discord names. K-Dog, I'll add you to the list. K-Dog. If I miss you, just retype it again at the bottom in Discord already, please. Binda. GC, Injo, okay. GC. So if you win, you know that's you. Did I miss anybody? I don't think so, right? I don't think so. Uh,
All right, what are we doing?
all these names are coming through in Discords. That's you guys decided to go spam in Discord instead.
Twice a video. That was my daughter. That's funny.
Nancy, okay, is that you that said that in Discord, Nancy? That was you. I have stream mode on, so I don't see your name. So when you type stuff in Discord. I know, right? All the non-algo members came out of nowhere. They're like me.
Exactly.
N7, I'll add you. Is that's not Nancy? N7. Everybody said Santa Josh is here. Let's do it. Let's do it. And then I think we have EMCI looks really good though, guys. So again, if you are scalping this, congratulations, because this thing is flying. Sticky, sure. Sticky. So sticky the last one, I think so, right? I think we added you already. Stock. There's a stock one in the alley, sure. Alley and sticky. Yeah, no, this thing's done really well. Really, really well. Yeah, I just don't diamond handed. Okay, so alley and sticky. Sticky. That's a lot of names on the wheel, isn't it? That's a lot of names. What do we have? T4, 10, 12. Hmm. Do. We could do the ultimate, um I think Rob was asking me, but I'll ask you guys. Do you guys want to do you guys vote in the chat, right? Maybe Josh can vote. Josh, you want to do 3 months of the algo, or you want to do 1 month of the algo? What do you guys think? Nice, you have to be a member to win the algo. The other stuff, not so much, but okay. While I'm letting you guys vote, 3 months is better. Okay, we'll do 3 months then. Okay, 3 months sounds good. Yeah, isn't enough to really. Okay, sounds good. Yeah, okay, we'll do that then. 3 months. Okay, so the first winner for the algo, guys. Are you ready? Jericho. The first winner for the giveaway, 3 months of the algo is it gonna be Ali or is it gonna be N7? Ooh, that's close. N7. Ooh. If you're not sure what the algo is this indicator, by the way. Alrighty, so the algo is the indicator that comes with the supply zones, demand zones, and all the other things. Yeah, AMCI is flying there. Too bad it's not AMC, huh? Otherwise, people would be going crazy right now. But yeah, so really good push on this one. Type yes in the chat if you're holding this one. You were very close, Ali. Very close. So congratulations, N7. Send Rob a DM in Discord with your TradingView username, please. Alrighty. Yeah. Alrighty. So again, congratulations. That's one of many that we're gonna spin. So don't worry. And then we'll do the other giveaway. So let's pick a winner too for Discord. Alrighty. So the first winner for Discord, if you're not a member, or yeah, this gives you a month of membership. Alrighty. The first winner is Henu. Henu is always on stream too, which is good actually. Henu, congratulations, Henu. Congratulations, you won a month of Discord membership. Congratulations.
Congrats, guys. Yeah.
So send me an email hottradesx@gmail. If you win a membership, email hottradesx@gmail, because you're not a member, we don't have any information on you. If you win the algo, DM Rob your TradingView username, please. Tomcat. Tom, welcome to thank you for the super sticker. Alrighty. I'm just letting it catch up here. Thank you for the super sticker, Tom. Let's go. You have the you have the thrust. Thank you very much, Tom. Thank you. There's Henu. Congratulations on the on a month of already. So send me an email. Include your Discord username in the email too, please. Alrighty. Okay, let's pick more winners because Santa Josh wants to. Yeah, Cindy, look at that, right? I had the algo for 2 weeks, and now I could not live without it. You made me an addict. See, there you go. Yeah,
Nice.
there you go. And another winner.
Yo no sé cómo.
See. The next winner for the giveaway, guys, for the algo is it's gonna be Cheddar, isn't it? Congratulations, Cheddar. You know what to do. Right? We send Rob a DM in Discord with your TradingView username, please. Alrighty, please and thank you. Cheddar, congratulations. Cheddar's there you go. Give a membership to Minimal. Done.
You know, Blaze, you know that my oh.
No. What were you saying, Rob? Wait, what were you saying, Rob? Is Rob
Oh,
frozen?
you froze.
Or am I frozen or Rob frozen?
You froze.
It
It was you.
What were you saying?
Yeah, my brother trades gold, right? I got him trading, but he trades only gold. That's what he likes. So his strategy is that he turns on the deviation bands that we found, the standard
Okay.
deviations of the VWAP,
Yeah.
and he trades the extreme. So when it hits the third standard deviation, he trades
Yeah.
the short, if it's at the top or the bottom, right? So he
Yeah.
says that for some reason because he does TikTok and all that other stuff, because of the coffee. So he says that he saw some guy that was on TikTok like trading, and it was weird to him that he saw, because usually we don't have, there's a lot of people trading on TikTok. I haven't seen, at least. And he said that for some reason it came up on his thing, his while he was searching, and it so happened that he was trading gold, right? So he stood watching it, and then the guy was like, he's like, "Oh, I'm gonna go short here or long here," and my brother was like, "Damn, I don't know." He's like, he was looking at the algo. He's like, "I think you're in the wrong spot," And he was kind of like, so I think he says, I think he told him something. The guy didn't really listen or whatever, or he was like, whatever. And then like the guy went in, like it just totally went against him, like really bad. And I think my brother sent him a message or something like, "You really need the algo." He says, he's like, "Because I was blind and now I see," because it was like literally he didn't see those areas. I mean, it's literally that, find areas, key areas.
Yeah,
But it was so
exactly.
funny. That happened to him the other day. He was like, "Man," he went. I was like, "I usually go short, like, or long at the standard deviation," and he was like, "It was like he's going long on a." At the top of a standard deviation, he's like, he should be going short. That was so funny.
Yeah, some people just, have no idea. No idea, Rob. Let's see. Yeah, AMCI looks nice. So the SPY is really close to all-time highs, guys. Really
Wow,
close.
look at that.
Yep, really
Yeah.
close.
Everybody likes something different. I love to hear what people like about it, because everyone has like their own thing that they find that works for them. So good. Wow, that's
Minimal, congratulations. Thank you very much, Josh. So the next winner for the giveaway, guys, is Minimal for the month of Discord. Minimal, send me an email. Email hottradex@gmail. Please include your Discord username in the email. Alrighty, please. So send me an email. Congratulations. Thank you. Alrighty. So yeah, so that's the next person to win the month. Again, if you win Discord, send me an email, hottradex@gmail, include your Discord username. And then if you win the algo, send Rob a DM in Discord. Alrighty. Let's pick another winner. This is number 3, I think. Number 3 of 3 months of the algo. Oh, it's gonna be Burrow, it's gonna be Nightmare.
Burr. Oh
That's
wow, that was
close.
like a damn right there.
Yeah, I was so close. So close. Burleys, congratulations. You know who you are. So send Robert DM in Discord with your username. That was very close. Very close. Yeah. Twice in a row? I know. Maybe that's a sign though. Yeah, maybe that's a sign. Yeah. There you go. Yeah, in the case of AMCI, right? Make sure you're paying yourself on this thing though, please, guys. Right? Like it's gonna be volatile. I mean, it has AMC in the name, so it's gonna be volatile. Alrighty. So make sure you're paying yourself. This is a good run though. Good run to end the before Christmas. Saving a lot of people. And the S&P is really close now. 20 cents away from all-time highs. 20 cents. Okay. Congrats. Okay, are you ready for the next winner, guys? Ready? 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 The next winner for a month of membership is actually, um, yeah, Cheddar. They gave Cheddar a membership and the Argo, but Cheddar is already a member, so that doesn't count. Cheddar, unfortunately. Alrighty. So we're gonna have to spin that wheel again. It's rigged, I know. They really like Cheddar, you know. Okay. Alisa. Who's Alisa? Alisa is always on stream. Congratulations, Alisa.
Lisa.
Congratulations. Alrighty.
Hold on.
Alisa says, "Oh my God, I won! Thanks to Santa Josh. Congratulations. Thank you, Josh. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you. Literally confessed. I didn't rig it. It has nothing to do with me, Bilal. Has nothing to do with me. Yeah. Congratulations. Congratulations. Okay, so number four, for 3 months of membership for the algo. Are you ready? Ready, ready? Yeah. Spin the wheel. Okay, sounds good, minimal. Oh, it's gonna be Kevin or Pyro. Close. Pyro is gonna give it away anyways. So Kevin, congratulations. Ready? Again, send Rob a DM in Discord with your TradingView username. Congrats, Kevin. Congratulations. Alrighty. Good jobs. Yeah. Yeah. Santa Josh in the building. Okay. So if you're still watching AMCI, or you're looking for brand new opportunities there, that thing needs to consolidate above to 1150. If it doesn't, just kind of stay away from it because we might come back all the way down closer to 10. The wheel needs to be calibrated. Why, Vena? Because you're trying to win. Vena's trying to win. Ah, yes, yes. SOBR is consolidating nicely above 220, which is good actually. I don't know if it's gonna have the volume to come back, but it's consolidating for now. SIDU just couldn't break above that 220, guys. Right? Yeah. So just couldn't do it. And the S&P just made brand new all-time highs. All-time highs. You know all that chaos we complain about, all of the chaos, all of the chaos. And somehow, I mean, I think honestly everybody could tell that this is their intention, right? Um they definitely like they definitely try and do this at the end of the year, right? Yeah. Let's go, Donovan. Let's go. Let's go. I think I missed your first message, Donovan. How are you? Merry Christmas. Uh, you made your money? La 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 la. La. Merry Christmas, Donovan. Yeah. So 690 and then 7,000. End of the year price target. Uh, okay. There we go. It's yeah, that definitely is, Donovan. It definitely is an adventure. Those new files from yeah. Distractions. So it looks like AMCI is holding that 1150 for now, which is good. And then pushing back to the next supply zone. So nice push then. A very nice push. I like it. Okay. The next winner for the giveaway, guys. The next winner for the giveaway is Arven. I think you were asking to be added to the yeah. So congratulations already. Again, congrats. Send me an email, hottradesx@gmail, please and thank you. Hottradesx@gmail. Include your Discord username in that email, please. Alrighty. Did I miss your super chat? Oh, I did miss it. Thomas, I did miss it. You're asking for a DVRT. Let me take a look. I answered this question yesterday. I think that's why I initially read it. Thank you for the super chat. Nothing's changed though. I told you yesterday not to be very like put a stop loss right below that 90, right? Because if it breaks below 90, who's to say, Thomas, that this thing doesn't go all the way down, right? You asked the same question yesterday, right? It was at 90 cents, right? And we talked about putting that stop loss somewhere because once you break below that, it's a problem. Why? Because now you're sitting in a weird, like you're in such a weird range. I think your dollar cost averaging, and eventually this thing will bounce. It has to bounce, right? Because it's been crashing like it's been crashing quite a lot, right? And hopefully you're retesting. Like if you look left, Thomas, like look at this range right here. Hopefully this is it. Hopefully that's it. Like hopefully 70 cents is the base and then a pop. I think best case scenario, I would hope that happens. All right. If it doesn't hold 70 cents, you're definitely going to see a lot of blood. So I think for now, watch that 70 cents as your base. Alrighty. Okay, perfect. Yeah, if you send me an email, thank you. Good jobs. To your fishing. Okay, sounds good, Kevin. Yeah. No rush at all. Okay. Let's do another we need to remove Kevin from the list. Imagine if Kevin wins again. Then we're gonna know it's rigged. Oh, it's who is it gonna be this time? That was close. Stocks. There you go. Congratulations. Alrighty. Congratulations, Stocks. Um, so send Rob a DM in Discord. I know. Nightmare, you're so close every time. Every time. What's going on? What's going on? What is going on? Maybe it's a sign. Yeah. Again, if you win a giveaway, make sure you send Rob a DM. Alrighty. If you win the algo, send Rob a DM. Don't DM me because I will ignore you. I won't ignore you, but alrighty. Send Rob a DM. I like it. That's a very good scalp, John. Good jobs. What is Sesh? Good job, Stocks. Well done. How did you get missed again? I know, right? You're right in the middle. Okay, let's you ready? Spin the wheel again. Run. I know, I never. Okay, let's spin the wheel again. Spin, spin, spin. I mean, you weren't that far off again. Squid, congratulations. I want to try the algo, but the wheel is hitting my stop loss. Yeah. Let's go, Kevin. Good. Yeah. Yeah. Congratulations, Squid. Alrighty. Congrats. Yeah, very close. Where's Squid? There you go. Yeah, congratulations. Send Rob a DM in Discord with your username. Send Rob a DM in Discord with your username, please. Alrighty, and cool. Okay. Let's just keep putting out the giveaways. Ready? Yeah. Did the bot pick one already, or is that a reroll? Let's see. The bot is loading for me, so I'm just waiting. Loading, loading, loading. Uh, Sticky. There you go. Congratulations. Alrighty, we're just gonna keep spinning. Another spin. No, if we keep spinning, it's just a matter of time, isn't it? Before oh my goodness. How close do you have to be? How close? Yeah. Whoever Gub is. Uh yeah, seriously, Raven. Seriously. Oh, there you go. There you go. You won. Yeah. There you go. Congratulations. Congratulations. Not close enough. I know. Spy's 690, almost 690. And then SOBR is trying to curl. So that 220 level is a good spot, right? So it's been doing really good. Bilal, yeah. So that's a really nice bounce, actually. Really, really good bounce. Good consolidation, good support, and then a pop. So 250, obviously your next resistance. No, both. Members only giveaway, but also everybody giveaway. Alrighty. We're just spinning wheels at this point. Let's do it again. Next winner. I think we might have to re-roll that one. Yeah, re-roll the winner. Yeah. So the winner for a month of Discord is gonna be, yeah. So yeah. No, you're fine. Yeah, you're fine. You actually won. Yeah. So there you go. uh Sometimes I feel like this bot is the bot has some things that it does that we don't know. Let's go. Again, so if you want a month of membership, send me an email, hottradesx@gmail. Include your Discord username in the email. Alrighty? So do that. You want the wheel? I know. Yeah. I know. I think we have two more spins of the wheel. So you have two more shots. And then see, Rob went to go apologize to his wife. He's probably getting beat up right now. Rob is getting beat up right now. See, he should have said nice things. Okay, let's spin. Wheel. Who's it gonna be? Pyro is close. Lori, congratulations. Congratulations, Lori. Here you go. Send Rob a DM in Discord already. And then we have one more spin of the wheel. Alrighty. Do, 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 do. One more spin of the wheel. Let's see. No, not Dr. Rob. Rob Data Warrior. Alrighty. So make sure you DM the right Rob. If you look at Discord, Rob Data Warrior. Alrighty. Make sure you again DM the right Rob. Rob Data Warrior in Discord. If you look at the list of members, you're gonna see Rob at the top there somewhere. AMCI is halted down. So good job again if you took those gains. Like we mentioned this not too long ago, right? Like if we play games up there, we could see $10 and slap. Alrighty. Cool. Yeah, halted down. Okay, one more spin of the wheel, and then we should be done with the wheel.
Oh, really? You guys? Oh man, my bad. I had a. All right,
It's
I
okay.
got all the people writing to me. Let me set them up now.
Okay, that's okay.
All right, whoever's watching me now, whoever sent me, I'm gonna start doing it now. Okay, guys. Sorry.
Well, so at this point, it's up to Pyro. Pyro, pick someone in the chat. So imagine you're in Shark Tank, Shark Tank, and you're like you are like, I deserve your money because of, you know, give it to Nightmare. Oh, there you go. See, I like it. Nightmare, congratulations, you finally won.
Oh, Nightmare One.
Yeah,
Pyro, I'm
yeah.
not giving you. I'm not giving it to you, Pyro. I'm not giving it to you. What did Pyro win?
Uh, Pyro won the giveaway. He gave it away though.
Oh, okay, okay.
Yeah, there you go. Congratulations. Congrats, 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 congrats. Yeah, you finally did it.
I need the TradingView username, guys. The TradingView username that you're using because that is enabled in TradingView. So
Yeah. I honestly at this point I have no idea. Let's keep going now. The next winner for the for membership is, are you ready? Cultivating. There you go. See, Donovan? See? Yeah. Let's go, Donovan. Yeah. Send me a DM in Discord or send me an email. Ready? Where's Josh? Josh, are you still in the chat? Where'd you go? Where did Josh go? uh, in it won't let you. Just tag Rob then. Tag Rob in Stock General or something, and he will see you. Alrighty.
I'm here, guys. I'm getting your DMs. I'm just going one by one because I was and you gotta send me your thing.
Yeah. Best gift ever. Thank you. Let's go, Nightmare. Thanks to Josh and Pyro. Yeah, let's go. Some Christmas presents from Santa Josh. Christmas presents. Okay, are you guys ready for another one? Another membership? Are you ready? Spin it. Ali Sharif. Where's Ali? Ali? Congratulations. Yeah. Yep. Love it. Okay. Anything else moving other than the ones we're looking at? Not really. A
I
few
love
small
the
ones.
names. I love the usernames people have for the TradingView.
Oh yeah. Yes, yes, yes. Okay.
All right.
Let's see. I like it. I like it. Perfect. You send me an email? Okay, I'll respond to the emails once I get off the stream. Alrighty. Again, just make sure you have your Discord username in there though. I'll respond to the DMs and the messages once I get off. 11:30 Winterfell. Okay. So now, yeah. So let's see how well it does. Yeah, $10 there. Still looks pretty weak, but see if we can reclaim $10. Right. This is looking very weak. Very, very weak. That thing looks like they're about to halt it down again. Sheesh. Those are some insane candles. Some insane candles. Hmm. Hello. Kendo, hello, 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 hello. NCL with a nice little run too. Yeah, for this one, that at the bottom of the thing there that you see the SD band, so it technically bounced off the SD band.
Te iba a preguntar a ti eso, ¿verdad? A ti no.
We need a
Yeah.
Spanish translator for Rob.
What happened, please?
So we need a Spanish translator for you.
Oh, my bad. Yeah, I didn't put it in.
Yeah, once you hold down like that, Evan, it becomes very dangerous. Yeah, SPY broke above 690. Not quite holding above yet, but we know what direction that thing wants to go. We know what direction that thing wants to go. Interesting. How do you buy and sell it? On Duolingo. That's the market. Yeah, no, NCL looks good if you're playing with it. Yeah, look at that thing cook. Looks like you have a double. Yeah, that's a pre-market double top. 2850. 2850 resistance. My DM. Okay. ZDMs. uh, oh my goodness. uh, you know, I'm just gonna upload the video without even watching it. Actually, let me watch it first. Uh, that's amazing. Okay, let me find a spot to put that. Oh my days. Okay, let's see. It's asking me to delete something. We'll see. What do I want to delete? Let's see. Let's see. Let's see. Uh,
Somebody can send me a DM. Split this.
you guys know that Rob video? You know the one that we like to play all the time? Rob in the casino. Hey, there's a new one. You want to see it? Bring
Unbelievable.
me
If
in.
it's about me, I'm quitting.
Look at this. Look at this, guys. Look at this. Look at this. Look at these.
I hope you choke. I hope you choke on your flu. That was Peter, right? I know that was Peter.
Oh my goodness. Oh, one more time. Oh, Rob finally won for Christmas, guys. Let's go. No, Dan did that. That's pretty amazing.
Oh, that was Dan. Dang it, man.
See, you have to be nice to him because he's sick,
Unbelievable. I
You have
know.
to be nice because he's sick. Oh, Raven. Oh, that is amazing. Oh, sorry. Whew.
Pyro was like, that shit was funny.
Oh,
Uh,
that was good. That was very good. That was very, very good. Wow. That was amazing.
That's just like,
uh, let's go. That wasn't it, but that was just that. I was just excited to do that, Dan. Um, Dan is giving away 2 legend memberships as well for Christmas, guys. Let's go. Christmas. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go, Spikes. Come on now. Okay, let's recreate a
wow.
brand new tag. Yeah. Spikes, let's go. Thank you very much. Thank you, thank you, thank you. I like it. I like it a lot. Thank you, Spikes. Merry Christmas to you.
Merry Christmas, Yogi.
Yeah. Okay, so we're gonna do a brand new hashtag, guys, and I'm gonna refresh the entries and the new hashtag for the 2 new memberships. Hashtag Santa Dan. Hashtag Santa Dan. Mr. Crude. Mr. AI. The destroyer of Rob. Rob's joy. I like it. uh, I want to play that video again, but I think we want to be nice to Rob as well. Yeah. When Rob isn't here, we need to watch that video like every second. uh, Unbelievable. That was good. Santa Dan, and then we're gonna give away 2 memberships.
There's some people that can DM me and I can't DM them. That's weird.
Yeah, they need to send you a friend request.
Oh, all right.
Yeah.
Let me accept.
Yeah, they need to
That's
send you a
all.
friend request. Yeah. Yeah, let's do another 10 seconds on that hashtag, guys, and then we will pick 2 winners. Thank you very much, Dan. Thank you, thank you, thank you. Congratulations, guys. You can go into the new year with some Christmas presents. Yeah. And these are actually very good Christmas presents. As much as we're not spending a lot of time talking about them, these are very good. Right? You're basically getting a Christmas present from someone, which is amazing. Alrighty? And take advantage of it. Yeah, NCL came all the way back down, all the way. AMCI. This is almost like everybody just taking their gains for Christmas. They're like, hey, the market closes in an hour and 20 minutes. Yeah, absolutely, Donovan. Absolutely. Okay, we can stop spamming now, and then we're gonna pick a winner. Alrighty, we can stop spamming now, and then we'll pick a winner. The S&P is hot. Oof, hot, hot, hot.
Wowzer.
Yeah,
Wait,
spice.
where are we on are we at? Oh shoot. Oh my God, we're about to, yeah, I didn't think they were gonna get to 7,000 today. It
Uh,
can do it.
might as well. Might as well just go. Might as well.
Blaze, I'm gonna DM you about one of the memberships.
Okay, sounds good.
They wrote to me, but I think that was more for you. So
Sounds good. Okay. I bet spikes. Yeah, it's easier because you know the direction they want to go in, and it's done really well. Really, really, really well. Okay. Uh. Let me take a look. Mm,
Okay, I think everybody's up.
okay.
Stranger Things is tonight or tomorrow? I think tomorrow.
Tomorrow. Okay. 650. Shish. I like it. Well done. Okay. Okay, let's pick the winners, guys. Before you I like it, Spikes. I like it. Okay, so the first winner for the giveaway, guys, is gonna be Thana, which they're always in the chat as well, which is good. And the second winner is gonna be Penos. And these are two people that are usually in the chat. Yeah. So congratulations to both of you. Thank you very much, Dan. So both of you send me emails. Include your Discord username in the email, please. Congratulations already. Yeah, congrats. I like it. Look at all the Santas coming out on Christmas Eve. Santas.
So everyone that got the algo to that one, they expire March 24th. So you got 3 months.
Okay, perfect. You have a lot of time.
Yeah, it's good. Time to get used to it. Watch the videos on the channel.
Exactly. See, I watched the algo video. The algo video is in the Bullbet algo channel. So if you've never used the algo, watch that video. Alrighty. Yeah, so that's the first thing you should be doing. Watching the video, how the algo works. Then at some point, once we get to January, we'll do an algo class again. But for now, yeah, watch the video. Yeah, miracles. Dan, are these two people in the? Yeah. Okay, Penhose is still spamming, so they'll probably delay Dan. So again, Penhose and Thana, you guys won the giveaway. I can see you guys spamming the thing still, so you're most likely delayed. So thank you very much, Dan. Just making sure they're actually here. If not, we respin it, but looks like they are just delayed. No, you should be good to go, Donovan. You should be good to go. I just haven't. I'll get to your. Yeah, you should be good either way. Just yeah, should be good with the DM. I'll just check after the stream is done. Yes, you are, Gail. uh, looking good, Spy. Looking good. And then looks like NCL hit the bottom and then came back up a little bit. Yeah, it's actually not a bad curl. Not a bad curl at all. Donovan. You're gonna barbecue by yourself, Dan? You're just gonna barbecue by yourself? and then you're just gonna unbelievable. You're gonna send a picture to your wife of your barbecue, huh? Donovan, you're good to go. Your free month is active. Ready? Good to go. Congratulations. If that's what it comes to. Send email hotratesx at gmail. There goes NCL, guys. That's a pretty sweet comeback, actually. Yeah, penny stocks are actually looking good. Penny stocks is like the usually the theme going into the brand new year, anyways. So we might start the year off by cooking penny stocks. That's a really good curl, by the way. For the gold members, that's a pretty easy curl there at the bottom. Pretty easy. Pretty easy curl. So hopefully you made some monies on that. I like it. Interesting. Okay. Welcome back, Donovan. Welcome back. Elisa, okay, sounds good. Merry Xmas to you as well. Yeah. Lots of absolutely. Absolutely. Have a wonderful Christmas, Elisa. See you in Discord. Alrighty. Yep. Let's go. Okay. Yeah, that's a very nice nice account, Ron. A very nice account. MWG with a bit of a bounce. Another 20 minutes, guys, and we'll round it off. With the power hour in Discord, and then we'll call it a day. Alrighty. We're not gonna stay here the whole time till the market closes. Just 20 more minutes, and then we shall hop off and continue in the Discord. Alrighty. Some yeah. Oh, Josh. Oh my goodness. What are you doing now, Josh? And I've been on the phone with okay, you have been? Yeah, we've been spinning wheels on wheels and wheels. Love it though. Love it. Christmas vibes. Christmas vibes. Yeah, no, Dan did another giveaway as well. Santa Dan and Santa Josh. And Santa Spikes. You're in at 14:30.
Merry Christmas.
Merry Christmas.
Stock chaser.
Let's go. You're in at 1430. You said, oh, nice and green. I wish. Did you take any profits still on this? Because 1430 is somewhere in the abyss here, right? I think it was at 1650 in that supply zone. Did you take any profits yet, Samuel? Do you have a stop loss? I think for now you want it to stay above $15. So basically retesting the breakout, right? You want it to stay above this range. So you're still in a good position. You were in a nicer position now. Yeah. No, yeah, congratulations, Donovan. Yeah, that giveaway was from Josh. So again, thank you very much, Josh. Thank you, thank you, thank you. Yep, absolutely, Dan. Absolutely. Let's see. Did someone send me a? Oh yeah. Do do do. So it looks like it's bouncing. So Samuel, you should be okay. Alrighty, you should be okay if we can stay above $15 there. Just make sure you stay above 60%. Okay, perfect. Yeah, and then just put a stop loss on the rest. Let's go, Gub. Congratulations. Congratulations. Yeah, AMCI came all the way back down to test. Like, isn't that crazy? Crazy, huh? Right? From 1250 all the way back down to 8 something. Like, that's a pretty nasty dip if you don't sell. Right? That's the FBI calling Rob. Do, 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 do.
It's my ring.
How many ringtones do you have?
The ring, you know, the ring alarm and the
Oh,
cameras and stuff.
okay, okay, okay.
When it detects somebody in the front, it'll do that.
Okay, okay. Spandy, I mean, a combination of like a community and bots and alerts, things like that. Yeah. Yep, exactly. So we always have someone looking at something.
Blaze,
Yeah. What
I have
happened?
an idea
Uh-oh.
on what I want to do in the next 2 3 years.
2 years, you said?
Maybe, I don't know. It could be less.
Okay.
I was watching a video of a guy because I love the Porsche GT3, right, or the
Yeah.
GT2. So I saw
Good,
Josh
good.
like
Porsche GT what?
GT3, but it was the two. Which one is it? The blue, the 911 or the 944, I think it is the GT3, and it's so
Okay.
fire, man. Yeah, 992. There it goes. The 992. There you go. Yeah.
Okay.
So, anyways, so I saw a guy driving it in the Swiss Alps.
Mm-hmm.
Like it's like this beautiful, scenery. Like the mountains. So you're in the mountains. It's so
Yeah.
amazing. So I was
Yeah.
thinking we should do that. We should try to we go to Switzerland, and then we rent those cars, and then we just drive it through all that that big just those roads. It would be so beautiful, man.
That sounds amazing. Yeah.
Yeah, we can go there. We'll rent those cars, and then we just we could video a couple, but it would be
Yeah.
great.
Yeah.
It was so beautiful, man. The mountains, you see them, so you're literally in the mountain, the Swiss, and it's like super high, and you
Yeah.
see all the top of the mountain, and it's just
Yeah.
beautiful scenery. I was like, wow, I would love to do that, man.
Let's do it. Virus is in. Josh is always in.
Yeah, let's do it.
Let's do it. Let's go. Come on now. Virus is like, I'm in.
Yeah, we got to do
Oh,
that. No, seriously, that's a really good, and that's like a guy trip too. Like we got to do that. Like,
yeah. Speaking of cars, did you guys see the video of the CEO of not the CEO? I don't know if it's a CEO. The dude from Call of Duty. He died. He was racing and he died.
what
Did
the
you see
heck?
that? Yeah.
No,
Did you guys see that video? As yeah, it was on Instagram. And let me see if I can find the video. Let me see if I can find it. Yeah. The Ferrari. Yeah. Let me
he was in a
see.
red Ferrari.
Yeah.
Please.
Could you hear that? You could hear that?
Yes, we could hear that.
That was the video. Let me play the video for you though. Let me play the video for you guys. Uh, for some reason it does. It says unavailable for certain audiences. I think you have to sign in to see the damn thing. Spin in yeah. So I don't know if I can then play it.
Yeah, Brittany, the Porsches are nice. Just amazing. I love those cars.
So look at you look at my my camera. Look.
Oh, damn! But he didn't even. He's. But he went through the tunnel, came out. He didn't even like. He just went straight into the side of the wall.
Yeah. Like look at that.
Oh, he didn't know how to. He didn't. I didn't realize. I guess that curve, man. You gotta. And those cars are pretty.
Yeah, that's
Those on Ferraris, they adjust pretty good. From the last time.
yeah, that's very sad. Yeah. He hit the gravel? Oh, okay. Yeah, I wonder how fast he was going too.
Yeah, he came out of the tunnel fast, and I guess he didn't realize that curve was there a little bit, but
Yeah.
crazy.
Yeah.
You know what could it be too? You know, when you're in those tunnels, it's so dark. You go into the
Oh,
light, and it's kind of like you just see like white. Your eyes have to adjust.
yeah. Oh,
Ah,
okay.
there it is. Exactly. You see, light blinded him coming out of the tunnel. Yeah, that makes sense.
Oh,
That makes sense. Yeah.
dang.
Once you get out, if that tunnel was pretty long, your eyes have to adjust. And if you're going super fast,
Yeah.
man, terrible.
Yeah, that's sad. Very, very sad. Good job, Squid. Well done. Good scalp. NCL has been doing well though. Welcome, Don. Yeah, war. Yeah. Yeah, and NCL looks really nice. Really, really nice. That was a perfect dip, actually. Perfect dip. Curl. Boom skis. Anybody holding NCPL? He didn't put on a stop loss. Too soon. Yeah. This is why men need supervision. You mean you're not wrong.
You're not wrong.
Yeah. Crazy.
Yeah. I think you told me about that once, right? The AMG.
That's what you drove in GTR. Isn't that what you
I did. I drove that. Yeah.
Yeah.
The green one.
Yeah. The green one was nice.
I did. I drove it.
Yeah.
The Ferrari was nice. I want to drive the Pista the next time. The Pista.
Yeah. That was nice. Thing was that thing had violence in it. Violence, Josh. NCL is looking really good there with that run. Yeah, when you see those videos of those cars in the especially in Europe, they have really nice can't really drive those cars.
Oh shit! My bad.
That's okay. Yeah. So much yeah, seriously, Josh. Seriously. Yeah, those cars are definitely an experience. After the first lap, I was like, you know what? I need a, my body needs to adapt. It needs to adjust because I'm gonna throw up. And then you get into it, Josh, and it's a lot of fun.
Yeah.
Yeah, seriously.
Yeah, it does. Yeah.
Yep. ISD. Yeah, these cars just look nice too. Like they just look very nice.
Yeah, the Porsches are beautiful, bro.
Yeah.
I was
I mean,
watching that. I'll send you the video. I'll send you the video later. The one I was the guy that was
oh, okay.
it was a
Yeah,
black Porsche with the gold, and he had gold rims, like the
yeah,
goldish rims. Oh my god, it was so
yeah.
freaking. But I want to do that. I want to go and been, they were driving it in the Swiss Alps, and I was like, wow, we have to do that.
Yeah. Jay, that's what I was looking at, right? You look at the price at the top there, and you're like, oh my goodness. It's like, good thing Rob said renting, because that seems a little bit, seems a
Yeah.
little bit, little bit,
It's a GT3. That's why the GT3s are like, on a whole nother level.
who pays that for a car?
But I wouldn't mind the the electric one. I love the electric one too, the way it looks.
Unbelievable. Who does that? We're gonna need 1,000% squeeze for that, So the new year better bring some nice squeezing stocks. Yeah.
I'm getting so mad at this. Oh man.
No speed limit. No speed limit. Crazy. It's scary how fast some of these cars can go though, and you see videos like that, of the dude that we just watched. That stuff is very sad and also very scary. So you have to not get too crazy.
Yeah, you gotta respect it,
Yeah. Yeah. Nice little bounce there for AMCI. So off the 200 EMA.
I think I fixed it.
970. The 1990s are still like so expensive, right, Brittany? So expensive.
Yeah, I know. The new
Yeah.
cars are great.
Yeah. A Honda CRV yesterday. Love the new car smell. Yeah. Honda CRV. Maturity and driving, yeah, driver skills. Yeah, seriously. We've seen so many like speeding accidents. Yeah. Mm-mm-mm. It's a good thing, Josh takes us to Vegas so we can get rid of the the need for speed with with someone sitting beside you, so you're not reckless. Those things are way too fast to be reckless because it can end in 2 seconds. 55 is way too young to be dying. Way too young. Yep.
Hold on a second.
Yeah, crazy Josh, crazy. And fast car is slow. Yeah. Yep. Yeah, and NCPL looks like it's kind of stalling a bit at 32, 33. So, but the chart still looks really good though. Still looks very, very nice. I'm gonna drop another line at 33 just because of that supply zone. just a bit higher, a little bit higher. Always remember that there, brothers and sisters in the beside that. Yep. No, absolutely, absolutely. Mm-mm. So almost a bit of a retest on this one for NCL. Yep.
Excuse me.
Only to get somewhere, Jay. Only to get somewhere, 2 seconds faster. So it's a good reminder. You could drive faster, just don't put people in danger. Save it for the track. Yeah, exactly. Win in the mind before you win in the trade. Bye for now. Love it, Donovan. Love it. Yep. You win in your head before you win outside. Manifesting. I completely agree with that, especially in trading. Right? That as difficult as it is to be losing and change your mindset, you have to, right?
In my class, in my one-on-ones of the psychology, we actually talk about that. I always say that. I say it a different way. I always say that you have to anticipate,
Yeah.
and you anticipate by having a plan. So you win in your mind. When you win in your mind before you take the trade, that means you thought about what are the what could happen, right? We don't know what's going to happen, but we have to anticipate. If this, then that. If not, then what, right? If it's going to go here, I put my stop here. If it doesn't, then I get out. Or
Yeah.
if it continues, am I going to move my stop up? And you anticipate everything that could possibly happen, so you don't have to think that much after you get in the trade.
Yep. Exactly.
Because if not, you're going to get in the trade, and then you're just like, what do I do? Should I get out? Should I get in? Should I leave it?
Yep.
Terrible.
Exactly.
I know people that they end up doing a winning trade. You have a winning trade, but they left the winning trade under in a bad mindset. So you have a winning trade, but then since they didn't have a plan in the winning trade, and let's say they just put a stop, or they do they automatically get out the trade because they see a red candle, and then the trade, and then the price just keeps going higher. So now they feel they won. In reality,
Yep.
it was a good trade, but their mindset when they got out of the trade was like, oh, I could have stood in the trade, or I didn't, so then that makes you feel like you're not, you didn't win, or you didn't. So it's also bad because you're winning, but you're still leaving the trade under a negative mindset, and that doesn't help either.
Exactly. Okay, I'm responding to some of these. Elisa. Okay, sounds good. I'm just sending you guys links.
Everybody that won the algo, they already have their up
Okay.
already.
Okay. Been a bit of a. Okay. Okay. Anyway, I sent you an email as well. Minimal, I'm sending you an email right now. I don't see your Discord username in the email though, so you're gonna have to confirm that. Unless your Discord username says something about minimal. But yeah, I sent you guys all emails now. So if you want a membership and you emailed me, I send you a response. So yeah, fan, I send you an email as well. Late 160, 200 miles. Shit, that's crazy. That is crazy. 200 miles. Madness. Josh, that's the next place we need to go. Next trip, Dan. Not Dan. Josh. Next trip.
Where
Germany.
the
Autobahn.
Autobahn?
Yeah.
What with that, or did Josh hear my plan my about
The
going to
European.
the the European the Swiss
Yeah.
Alps? Josh, I'll send you a video of a guy driving it. It's so awesome.
Yeah. From
Yeah,
Team Cook.
no, we could do that. I mean, I would love to do that in the next couple of years. You know, it would be
Yeah. No.
nice to do that in the next
Yeah.
couple of years.
Yeah. No, Josh. Uh. Rob said like 2 to 3 years from now. I think next summer we're going to next summer we're going to yeah to Miami anyways. Yeah.
Yeah, Miami or
Let's go, Josh.
Tampa. We get the house over here in Tampa
Yeah.
by the water.
Yeah. And then let's do it. Let's do it. 19 again, CM. Okay, good. Yeah, you're just scaling out of the same positions, right? That's nice. No, SIDU we mentioned a few times, guys. Right, like this thing has been a. We had a lot of fun with this 2 days ago because of the or a few days ago because of the space theme, right? Yeah, this is the third time now that it's testing, and this time it's breaking and making brand new highs. Question is, will it keep going? Will it keep going? Okay. For New Year's. Where is the obviously because they call the the Miami team, but the World Cup stadium, where like is that's obviously in Miami, right? Right, Rob?
The World Cup.
Yeah, the where the World Cup is going to be played. That's not the
Oh
Hard
yeah,
Rock.
no, it's in Miami. Yeah, it's gonna be Miami. I think. Yeah.
Yeah. To get a boat for the yeah. Yeah, Josh. We'll just do like a nice Airbnb or something.
Beach house. Yeah.
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 There's so many nice places. I mean, and the Tampa side on the West Coast, there's so many nice, areas too. But then the Miami side, definitely, that's like you're in the Atlantic there.
Yeah. Spy just slowly creeping up there with those highs. Slowly. That's a really nice run on SIDU. Nice run. Nothing crazy, but nice. How long of a drive is it from for you, Rob, to go from Tampa to Miami?
4.5 hours, maybe close to 5, maybe.
Oh wow, that is a long drive. Wow.
It is because I'm on the West Coast, you know.
Yeah. It's a long drive. Yeah, no, NCL has done well. Just stalling there, 33. T-Mac. Just stalling. Today was supposed to be hopping off. We said 7 minutes ago we were gonna hop off. The markets close in 45 minutes. Yeah, in 45 minutes the markets are done. But then you have after hours though till 5 p.m. Eastern. So, and then that's it. Done for the day. Done for the day. Yeah. No, you should be. Did you click on the link? You most likely click. So if you're having, I don't see you in Discord yet. So, hoy, if you're having, if you're not like, if you click the link, you most likely click that link before. Fan, leave the server and then click the link again. So you come in as a brand new user, so I can see you. Alrighty, so leave the server. If you're not sure how to leave a Discord server, just Google it really quickly. It's really easy and quick. So leave the server, click the link again. Then I'll be able to see you. So you don't have to do all of the connecting stuff. Yeah, Vena. Yeah, yeah. No, SIDU looks really good. It's a good bounce, good comeback. I'm sure this one's gonna keep slowly creeping up here because it looks good. There you go. I see you now. Let's see. Okay, you're good to go now, fan. You're good to go. You're 20 minutes away from the stadium, Greg. Okay. Yeah, Rob lives with the alligators. With the alligators.
Oh yeah, I have. Yeah, of course. Yeah, that's I-75. Yeah, Alligator Alley.
Yeah.
And driving from Tampa to Miami, you got to cross the Everglades. You know, there's like nothing there. It's just marshland, you know, and stuff like that.
Oh wow. So that's how people get eaten while they're. Unbelievable. Unbelievable. Anybody else want to win the giveaway from Josh that doesn't have the link yet, or from Dan? Anybody? It's supposed to go after hours. No, stay in on regular hours. Joyce, what do you mean? You can stop and pet the gators? They're nice to Canadians.
Yeah,
Yeah,
exactly. Yeah,
yeah,
exactly.
yeah. Saturn, yeah, right below 228. It is stalling a little bit there. Tim, yeah, definitely we can at someday. Yeah, we've told the story so many times. I think that's why. Yeah, but yeah, definitely.
Yeah.
Can you maybe refresh and use the link on a different browser? Yeah, it says message failed to load. I don't know why it's saying that. Yeah, so refresh it, click the link again. Again, if you've ever clicked the link, leave the server and then click the link again. Alrighty? Please and thank you. Uh, should website be set website? See, I'm still confused, Joyce. What website? Like TradingView?
Canadian gnome. A Canadian gnome.
uh, you know what, Dan? You know what? I hope all you get to do today is is barbecue in the oven because it's raining outside. You know, no rain for no sunshine for you. Uh, unbelievable. Merry Christmas. FMFC is pumping there too. FMFC sounds like a football club. FMFC. Not sure why it's pumping. I just think people are pumping penny stocks now. Yeah, I think people are just pumping penny stocks. Yeah. Some good alerts from Discord though. Anyways, yeah, pump it, Raven. We definitely don't mind. Yeah, going into the new year, penny stocks usually do really well. So maybe it's that time for squeeze, Raven. Squeeze. Squeeze some of
The
the penny
the
stocks.
the golden candle is it's using the TD. It's called, what is it? TD sequential, or the TD sequential um strategy that Tom DeMark created. And yeah, so it does that. That's what it's doing. It's counting every candle, a higher candle than the four previous, and it does it 9 times. That's usually, statistically speaking, he realized that that usually after that happens, there's usually like a weakness, right? There's like a weakness in that leg of the move, or like a possible reversal. Usually you see it after the next candle. So you get the 9 count, and then maybe the next candle, if you see it lower or opening lower or red, then you got your signal there. It's a very good signal.
Yeah.
Right.
5 more minutes, guys. Let us know if you have any last questions, and then we will hop off. 5 more minutes. 5 more minutes. So let us know if you have any last questions. If you're traveling for the holidays, drive safe, please. Already. No partying too much and driving, because we're gonna find you. Already. Make sure you take at least a day and stop looking at the markets and enjoy some some outside time, some family time, and yeah.
Josh, you're not wrong. I mean, it's just more like exhaustion, I would call it. Because it's like, it's counting how many candles is opening higher than the previous four. So there is kind of like yes, there is a sentiment shift in a way, because it's if you see it on a bigger time frame, I will call it a sentiment shift, because on a bigger time frame, it's taking a long, at that moment. But it's yeah, it's just exhaustion, weakness, most likely a signal that it's going to reverse.
So Dan, you're gonna be alone tomorrow? Just eating all the food? Unbelievable. Raven, you too? You're gonna be alone? I can't believe your wives. Ah, this is what happens when you piss your wives off the entire year. Christmas comes, they're like, nope, not today with these two criminals. Yeah, unbelievable. At least Josh is nice to Rachel. Rachel just goes shopping and then comes back. Because he gets him in trouble. Yeah. Late afternoon. Oh my days. Wow. I go, but listed these stocks days ago. That's cool.
Thank you, Thorne. Yeah,
Yeah.
I
Merry
love
Christmas.
being here. I just that I got so much stuff going on. I can't be on the time, but hopefully, if there's a change this year, my plans are this year to maybe start doing this a little more full time, and then I could be doing more stuff with Blaze. Maybe I could bother Blaze more on the lives.
Yeah. Yes. Yes. FMFC. Brand new highs. It's a really nice run. Kendall Ventures. Interesting. Good run. You didn't get anything? See how I Raven, did you really not get anything? We're sending you hugs. Sending you hugs. Everybody's like, "Oh, I got a gift. Oh, thank you, thank you." Raven is just sitting there. He's like, "I have mushrooms." Oh. That's okay, Raven. They send you love. Love is more important than gifts. Josh? Uh, no, love is more important. When stock consolidate, it doesn't always have to go underneath for example. No, it doesn't have to. Right. So if you look at SIDU, no, again, I wouldn't call this consolidation. I'd mostly be looking for a breakout on this, right? So I wouldn't look at this as consolidation anyways. Alrighty. Uh there goes the next resistance, right? SIDU looks nice. Nice. Yeah. So this might become another, a swing play again. Yeah, TMAC. Yeah. So 235 next resistance there for SIDU. Yeah. Looks good. Looks very, very good. Okay. No, 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 no. How do you claim your giveaway? Let me take a look. Belen, you didn't cook anything? It's okay. We can cook something in Discord. But yeah, so 235 is your next resistance then. And then FMFC again, you see that resistance at 60 cents of the supply zone. Again, these are names without any news really. Yeah, that's been a really good run, Josh. Just next resistance up there now. Alrighty, all. We're gonna leave it here for the day. Be safe again, right? Merry Christmas, everybody. We'll probably stream on Friday. If not, again, we'll be in Discord, right? So we should be. And if I don't go skiing, and then we can maybe stream next week into the new year as well. Or we could just rest, honestly, just rest, chat in Discord, and then get ready for the new year. It just depends. We'll see what the volume looks like in the mornings, right? I'm not gonna promise anything, but If it's really slow, this might be the last stream we have for the year, and then we'll come back, like, like January 2nd or 5th or something like that. Alrighty, there's no need to force anything at the end of the year. Then we'll be ready to cook, right? So it's nice to take a bit of a break. Yeah. So again, Merry Christmas, Belen. Thank you. Merry Christmas, Raven. Have a wonderful. Absolutely. Yeah.
Merry
Oh, it's just
Christmas,
by yourself.
everybody.
Yeah. Enjoy, even if it's by yourself. Enjoy the alone time. Tim, Merry Christmas. User, Merry Christmas. Cindy, Merry Christmas. Jay, Merry Christmas. Pyro, Merry Christmas, Pyro. Later, Diddy. Enjoy Christmas uh, Fan, Merry Christmas to you as well. Angel, Merry Christmas. Fan,
Merry Christmas, everybody.
Merry Christmas.
Have a good
And
one.
Merry Christmas. Love you too, Josh. Thank you very much again. Really appreciate that. Merry Christmas to you and the family.
Yes. Thank you, Josh. We love you guys.
Eat all the snacks, all the food, all the snacks. Yeah. Sticky, Merry Christmas. Sadden, Merry Christmas. Courageous, enjoy the
Pyro
holiday.
Dan,
Yeah.
Courageous,
Much love, Dan. Thank you
Raven.
very much. Get do that. Stop being sick, Dan. Stop being sick so you can go outside and
Slushes with vodka.
yep. Some vodka
Please,
scotch. What happened?
please,
What happened?
watch.
Uh-oh. What did Rob do now? Merry Christmas, Squid. May God reign over your homes and shower your families with blessings. Let's go, Josh. Absolutely. What is that? What is that, Rob?
What I told him, what I said, woman, give me my Coke, give me the Diet Coke, and she got it. See that?
Uh, and then she beat you up in the other room. Rob got beat up in the other room.
But I got it. Merry Christmas, everyone. We love you guys.
Let's go. Merry Christmas. Yeah, Andy. Yeah. Patricia, Merry Christmas. Chava? Chava says okay. Okay. Dan, for the way Rob spoke to his wife, you need to do more of those videos. You know? But the way he spoke to his wife on the fake phone. Right?
The fake phone.
Yeah. You need to do more videos. If you need a laugh, yeah.
Whatever.
Because of exactly, Josh. Exactly. Ron, Merry Christmas to you as well. Merry Christmas, everybody. Much love. Um, yeah. We'll get into the next year. Cool. See you guys in Discord. Be safe, please. We do, Raven. We do. We do. Bye for now, everybody. Bye, guys. Merry Christmas.
Merry Christmas, guys.
Bye bye. Bye 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 bye.